Keep it going. Moish, when did you know you had a talent for singing? Man, Moish, doing the darn thing. No, I'm telling the audience. Keep going, Dad. Okay. Well, there we go. We're going to let Mel practice. Thank you guys for coming out today. It's going to be a beautiful day in San Francisco. Bill! Would you keep it down over there? We're trying to do a show over here. That's my buddy Bill.